As I mentioned earlier, I'm coming to you live from Patna, but we haven't lost the southern flavor because the big southern story today that we are focusing on the show is about Chiranjeevi, the mega star of Telugu cinema. Is his persona protected? Remember, all big southern stars, their voices, their names, their tags are used in multiple platforms without their permission. Today, a Hyderabad civil court set the record straight and protected Chiranjeevi's personality. Well, so what does this mean for movie stars overall and the rampant use of their names and their voices? Joining me now is Reshmi AR, online editor of Deccan Chronicle. Reshmi, Chiranjeevi seems to have set the record straight, but this is going to be something that several other stars are going to follow and perhaps are worried about.
Yes, I think it started first with Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai and Hrithik Roshan approaching the court. But Chiranjeevi realized also. I just want to bring in one thing. I don't know if it's relevant though. Like as recent as March 2025, the ED summoned a couple of stars saying that they were endorsing betting apps and online gaming. Now this kind of has created a panic-like situation for other stars who are not really endorsing these products or anything illegal, but they want to protect their rights because they know that this is the age of AI and anything could be misused. So they want to kind of protect their reputation there because there is a huge reputational harm here.
Right, you're saying there was a huge reputation harm here. Just tell me the spin-off. Is this being watched very closely in the film industry, or are people yet to understand the importance of it? Because this is obviously of more relevance to a star of the nature of a Chiranjeevi, Rajinikanth, or a Sudeep, or a Rajkumar, the late Rajkumar in Kannada cinema. Not really for all stars.
Yeah, but I think end of the day, if any star's image, anybody like who is being watched on the big screen and people can relate to, anybody's image can be misused, any voice can be misused, because these days it is not very difficult for an AI creation. So considering that, I think they understand that this is much bigger than what it is. Like earlier, it was fact check, right? When fake news started circulating around, we resorted to fact check. This is, I think, taking it to the next level.
You're saying it's taking it to the next level. New generation, new challenges. My colleague Uma Sudhir also has this brief report explaining the details of that case as well as the consequences from it. Let's just listen in.
So actor-politician Chiranjeevi has got temporary relief with an ad interim injunction issued by a local court in Hyderabad after he had appealed to them to protect his personality rights and also publicity rights. What the court said was that Chiranjeevi, as a very well-known popular star and politician in the past as well, is a very, very recognizable face, and therefore they believe that someone who has been a Padma Bhushan and a Padma Vibhushan as well, that his rights cannot be violated by any of the parties, either his name, his title in the form of whether being called a megastar or Chiru or a boss or Anna, all those names cannot be used, and that also whether his voice or his image cannot be used. And for a first time they've also spoken about versions that technology is offering, futuristic versions like AI generated images or voice imitation, or even the metaverse versions, that those cannot be used. And the court in fact said that violation of using all this would invite action, and therefore parties from 1 to 33 have been restrained from using it. 34 and 35, whether it's the Department of Electronics and also the Department of Telecommunications, they have been given exemption because a notice needs to be issued. But in the other cases, the restrictions have been imposed now. This comes at a time when the government is also looking at a lot of regulations and guidelines that they will intend to bring in to protect such rights.